A train in Spain. Jane was a maid on a train in Spain. The train was red and blue and had gold paint stain in the cabins. Jane went to a man on the train. "The cook has quails and raisins," said Jane. "Good. I like quails and raisins," said the man. Jane sailed away to the cook. The cook had a taste. "Perfect," he said. Jane took the quail and raisins to the man's cabin on the train. Just then, it began to rain, and Jane fell on a nail on the train. "Ow!" she yelled. "The rain in Spain is like painted rain," said the man on the train as he picked up Jane with a saintly smile. "Sorry," said Jane to the man. "The tray with the quail and raisins has made a stain like dots of grain." "But it is okay, you will not have to pay," said Jane. "I am glad, and my waist will not be tainted," said the man. Jane gave the man a smile, and he did not pay for the quail and raisins. "I have not ate," said the man in pain. "We have snail's brains," said Jane. The man had a taste. "Ugh. Food in jail is better than the train," he said.